Alright, what's up, folks? Show me what you're working with. That's on beaming. I don't know why. But anyway, me and Kiani, finna do a scooter race or a Shooter Vs Hoover, and we're gonna go downhill to that hill down there, and that's the wrong hill. But anyway, we're gonna get some clips for you guys. Shouts out to everybody who been watching my videos. Special shouts out to y'all. And we finna start this race. So,
hold up, wait. Kiana, you cheating.
I'm not cheating. Cheating, pumpkin eater.
I was letting it auto drive.
I can auto drive too.
Duh. Everyone knows that.
Come on.
I think not. Alright.
Why y'all move right there in front of me? Y'all just lined up good. Hold up. Let me make sure I get the phone part up right.
Oh, car cover.
Go. Kiana, you got blowed. Can you just sit right here talking?
She winning right now. On the face, bro. On face.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around and keep going. There you go, Yanni. Oh, she got you that time, but
On the face, bro. Face up. She gonna win this one, I think.
Oh, yeah, the ball.